Now we start paper number EL 1501 unit 4, and this is our lecture number 5. Sign binary number. Sign binary number. Here the numbers without positive or negative sign are known as unsigned numbers, right? So if there is a no positive or negative sign, this number is known as simple unsigned binary number, but unsigned. But in the signed binary number, there is a positive and negative sign. In the decimal number system, the positive sign is used before the number to define the positive number, and the negative sign is used before the number to define a negative number. In case of signed binary number system, the most significant bit represents the sign of the number. That means if this is your x0, x1, x2, x3, this is LSB, this is MSB. So this shows the sign. This shows the sign, right? Now, what happened here? There are three methods to represent the signed binary numbers. But here, if the MSB is 1, this shows us negative. And if MSB is equal to 0, it shows us the positive number. 1 means negative number, 0 means positive number. So there are three methods to use to represent the signed binary numbers. The first method, three methods total for signed binary number. The first one is the sign magnitude representation. Sign magnitude representation. The second one is the ones complement. Representation. And third method is twos complement representation. Now we discuss about the sign magnitude representation. So I repeat, in signed binary number, there is a sign, either it is positive or negative. Positive, that means 0 in the MSB. Negative means 1, it shows 1 in the MSB of the any given binary number. Up to this, we are discussing only about the binary numbers which is unsigned. Now we are discussing about the signed binary numbers. So here, three methods for signed binary number. First is the sign magnitude representation. Second method is ones complement representation. And third method is twos complement representation. Now we are discussing about the first method, that means sign magnitude representation. What happened here? In sign magnitude representation, of a binary number, the MSB represents the sign and the remaining bits represent its magnitude. What is the meaning of magnitude? Magnitude means value. Magnitude means value. So, and again here, when the MSB is equal to 1, the sign is equal to negative, and when MSB is equal to 0, then the sign is equal to positive, right? Same thing. right? So here consider the binary number B0, B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6 and B7. See here, total 8 digit binary number. This is our simple binary number. In sign binary number, this most significant bit, that means MSB, shows the sign. If this is equal to 1, negative. If this is equal to 0, positive sign, right? So for example, plus 8. For example, plus 8. How to represent plus 8? So plus 8 represented by 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0. This is last 4 bit, that means 8. Then 0, 0, 0, and the most significant number 0 shows the positive sign. This 7 bits represent magnitude. That means value. And the 8 bit most significant bit, MSB, shows the sign. This is your positive sign, so I write here 0. If this is your negative 8, then it represent 1. Instead of 0, we write down here 1. Same 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0. Right? Because this is the value of 8. And this negative sign, that means 1. This is your MSB. This 1 represent negative sign, and remaining 7 bits up to this represent magnitude, or we can say value of the digit, right? What is the maximum number we can take? So in binary number system, the maximum 2 raised to n minus 1, that is equal to 255. Maximum value up to 255, right? That means the maximum decimal equivalent 2 raised to 8 minus 1, that means this is equal 8 bit. Any binary number, if the represent 8 bit, that means 2 raised to 8 minus 1, that is equal to 255. But in sign binary number system, it is equal to 2 raised to n minus 1 minus 1, that is equal to 2 raised to 8 minus 1 minus 1, that is equal to 2 raised to 7 minus 1, and this is equal to 127. So maximum number we represent 127 positively and negatively, minus 127. Same way 255 and minus 255, right? Now we just see the example, so we are getting the more idea about this. So find the decimal equivalent of, example we are taking, find the decimal equivalent of the following binary number. So our example is, this is our binary number 10100001 binary number. We want to convert this binary number into the form of decimal. What is the value of decimal, right? So this is your 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8 bit, but this is your sign binary. So this shows the positive or negative, and remaining 7 shows the magnitude or we can say value, right? Here this is your 1, that means this number is negative, because 1 shows negative number and 0 shows positive number, right? So in this way we can describe the remaining portion. This is your value of the digit. So 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. It is equal to 0 into 2 raised to 6 plus 1 into 2 raised to 5 plus 0 into 2 raised to 4, right? 0, 1, 0, remaining 0 plus 0 into 2 raised to 3 plus this 0 into 2 raised to 2 plus this 0 into 2 raised to 1 and plus this 1 into 2 raised to 0, right? So you start from 1 into 2 raised to 0, this 0 into 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3, like this, right? So this is equal to 32 plus 1 and that is equal to 33, right? Hence the decimal equivalent of the decimal equivalent of binary number, this 101000001, it is equal to 33, but the sign is minus and this is your decimal form. So you represent this way. Right? Second example, we will take second example. If our example is second example 00100011, this binary number we want to convert into the form of the decimal. This is MSB. This shows number is positive and the remaining 7 digit, that means 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 2 3 4 5 6, sorry, this is your example is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. The example is 000, right? So this is your, this shows positive, this is your like this, right? So this 7 digit 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7, we want to convert into the form of binary. So this is equal to 0 into 2 raised to 6 plus again 0, this 0 into 2 raised to 5 plus this 1 into 2 raised to 4 plus this 0 into 2 raised to 3 plus this 0 into 2 raised to 2 plus 1 into 2 raised to 1 and last this 1 into 2 raised to 0, and this is equal to 16 plus 2 plus 1, this is equal to 19. The MSB is equal to positive, so binary equivalent, this is your binary number and decimal number, it is equal to plus 19 decimal. In this way you write down the answer. Next example, we will take next example. The example is equal to, sorry, the example is 10110011 binary. Convert into the form of the decimal, right? Again, this is your 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. This is your 7 number. This is your magnitude. and the MSB 8 bit, it is your sign is equal to 1, that means value is negative. If it is 0, then we write down positive, but it is 1, so we write down negative. So we take the magnitude 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 binary, it is equal to this 0, first 0 into 2 raised to 6 plus 1 into 2 raised to 5 plus 1 into 2 raised to 4 plus 0 into 2 raised to 3 plus 0 into 2 raised to 2 plus 1 into 2 raised to 1 and plus 1 into 2 raised to 0, and this is equal to 32 plus 16 plus 2 plus 1, and this is equal to 51. So the binary number 10110011 binary, it is equal to minus 51 decimal. In this way we can convert the first method, that means sign magnitude representation we have discussed. Now we discuss about the second method. Second method is ones complement representation. Ones complement representation. How to convert this with the help of ones complement representation? Here again, in ones complement of a binary number is obtained when each bit of the binary number is subtracted from 1. That means the ones complement of 0 is 1 minus 0, that is equal to 1, and ones complement of 1 is 1 minus 1, that means this is equal to 0. That means here we are just replacing 0 to 1 and 1 to 0, that means this is our ones complement, right? But the ones complement of 0, that means 1 minus 0, it is equal to 1, and 1 minus 1, it is equal to 0, right? For example, representation of plus 8. Representation of plus 8, it is equal to 0 0 0 1 0 0 0, right? This shows value, this shows sign. And the ones complement of plus 8 and the ones complement of plus 8 is equal to, whenever there are 0, we convert it into the form of the 1, and if we are getting 1, then it is converted into the form of 0. So if this is your 0, so we write down here 1, this is your 0, we write down 1, this is your 0, we write down 1, this is your 1, so we write down 0. Again this is your 0, that means 1, 0, that means 1, and 0, that means 1. So this is your ones complement of plus 8. Same way here, the ones complement of a positive binary number is negative and vice versa. That means plus 8 10, it is equal to 0 0 0 1 0 0 0, whereas 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 represent minus 8 in ones complement representation of binary number. Again here maximum is 2 raised to n minus 1 minus 1, but here 8 bit, so the maximum number plus 127 to minus 127, maximum 127 and plus 127 to minus 127. So here two steps to convert the ones complement representation. The step 1 is equal to write the positive number in binary form. Write the positive number in binary form. And second step is find the ones complement. Find the ones complement of the binary number. Right? We are discussing this with the help of some example. Right? The example is, we take some example so very clearly you understand how to convert the number with the help of ones complement. Right? So represent the following example. Represent the following decimal number into ones complement representation. Right? The number is minus 67. Right? So our first step is step 1. Find the binary equivalent of the number. Find the binary equivalent of the number. Right? So we find out the binary equivalent of this. Right? So 67 simple form decimal, it is equal to 67 divided by 2 quotient remainder, that is equal to 33, remainder is 1. 33 divided by 2, that is equal to 16, remainder is 1. 16 divided by 2, that is equal to 8, remainder is 0. 8 divided by 2, that is equal to 4, remainder 0. 4 divided by 2, it is equal to 2, remainder 0. 2 divided by 2, it is equal to 1, remainder 0. 1 divided by 2, that is equal to 0, and the rest is 1. This is your MSB, and move from here to this is your LSB. Right? So 67 decimal, it is equal to 10000 11. Right? 110000 110000 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 2 and 2 4 2 and 2 4 1 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Right? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 binary magnitude. Right? So first of all, find the binary equivalent of the number. The step 2, write the positive number using 8 bit. Write the positive number write the positive number write the positive number using 8 bit. So this plus 67 decimal, it is equal to, right, this is your 7 digit and positive sign, so we add one more 0, right? And then remaining 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 binary. Total 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. This shows us 67. That means value, that means decimal number, that means our magnitude. And this 0, that we are adding 0 because of the sign is plus 67. And the last step 3, it is equal to find the ones complement, find the ones complement by replacing 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. So ones complement of our ones answer is, this is your answer, ones complement of plus 67, it is equal to minus 67, it is equal to, instead of 0 we write down 1, instead of 1 we write down 0, right? So 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 1 1 0 0. This is your binary number. This is your answer. I will take second example to understand very clearly, right? Second example is 102. This is your number, right? So first of all, step 1, find the binary number. So 102 decimal, it is equal to 102 divided by 2, 102 divided by 2, that means 51. This is your quotient and this is your remainder. The remainder is 0. This 51 divided by 2, that means 25. Remainder 1, 25 divided by 2, that is equal to 12. Remainder is 1. This 12 divided by 2, that is equal to 6. 0. 6 divided by 2, 3. 0. 3 divided by 2, 1. And remainder also 1. This 1 divided by 2, that is equal to 0. Remainder is 1. This is your MSB. This is your LSB. So numbers start from LSB to MSB. So our first step, we convert this number into the form of the value binary. So this 102 decimal, it is equal to 1100, 1100 and 110, 1100 and 110, and this is your binary number, right? Step 2, the positive number or negative number, the number is positive, so put the sign positive 102 10. So this positive, that means our most significant number, we are write down positive sign, so we add 0. The remaining value is same, 7 digit, 1100110 binary, right? And the step 2, write the positive number using 8 bits. So 8 here, 8 bit positive sign, that means we add this 0 for positive sign. Now we just want to convert this into the ones complement representation of the positive number is same as the sign magnitude representation of the positive number. So this is our final answer, plus 102 10, it is equal to 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 binary. Here I repeat, the ones complement representation of the positive number is same as the sign magnitude sign magnitude representation of the positive number. Third example, we will take third example. Our number is minus 88. Our number is minus 88. How to convert, right? So here the sign is minus, so we just convert this into the form of ones complement. See, first of all, first step, convert this 88 decimal to binary. It is equal to 88 divided by 2, that means 44 is your quotient, and this is your remainder. Remainder is 0. 44 divided by 2, that is equal to 22. Remainder 0. 22 divided by 2, that is equal to 11. Remainder 0. 11 divided by 2, that is equal to 5, and remainder is 1. 5 divided by 2, that is equal to 2. Remainder 1. 2 divided by 2, that is equal to 1. Remainder 0. 1 divided by 2, it is equal to 0, and remainder 1. This is your MSB, this is your LSB, right? So 88 decimal, it is equal to 1011000, binary 7 digit 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 digit, that means value, that means 88. That is equal to magnitude. It is also known as magnitude. Step 2, write the positive or negative number. The number is negative, so minus 88 decimal, it is equal to, this is your sign is minus, that means our this one more digit is added. So this is equal to, minus sign, that means 1 is added, that is equal to 10 11 1011. Positive sign. If this is your positive sign, then we add 0. First of all, you convert this into the form of positive 0. Again, the remaining thing is same. I repeat, positive sign, so I add 0 1 0 1 1 0 0 0 binary, right? Then step 3, here the sign is negative, so ones complement of plus 88 decimal, it is equal to minus 88 decimal, it is equal to, convert this ones complement, that means whenever there is a 0, convert it into the form of 1. So this 0, it is equal to 1, right? This 1, it is equal to 0. This 0, it is equal to 1. 1 1, that means 0 0 0 0 0, that means 1 1 1, and this is your binary number. So in this way, minus 88 we can change into the form of ones complementary. It is represented ones complement. And the last one is the twos complement. What happened in the twos complement representation, that we will discuss in the next lecture. Thank you.